Hey there, are you ready to learn how to view your email notification settings in Instagram on your PC with the new update? Let's dive right in. First, open up your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're in, head over to the bottom left corner and look for the More icon or the three dots. Click on it to open up a menu of options. Next, you'll want to click on Notifications. This will take you to a page where you can manage all of your notification settings on Instagram. Now, find the option for Emails Notifications and click on it. This will give you access to all of the email notification settings for your Instagram account. From here, you can choose which notifications you want to receive via email and which ones you don't. Simply toggle the switches on or off to customize your email notification preferences. And there, you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily view and manage your email notifications settings in Instagram on your PC. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on our channel. Thanks for watching.